Guys, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can reset Yubo. So I'm going to be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one. So if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, there isn't any option or any predefined thing to reset Yubo. So what you can do is just go to your profile on your top right corner and then go to settings on your top right corner again, and now go all the way down. So there will be a delete account option. So what you can do is you can delete this account and then create a new account, and there you can set Yubo app or account as per your requirement again. So that's pretty much, guys. That's an alternative way to reset Yubo. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.